So just got into the car park at work. I am slightly tired. Don't quite know why, because I slept quite well last night. However, driving to work, and I got to the traffic lights, and I sort of stopped at the traffic lights, and I could feel this big yawn coming on. And you can't stifle a yawn, can you? Can't stifle a yawn. So I was starting to yawn, and I let it out. I just did the yawn. And no one's face looks great when they're yawning, do they? But mid-yawn, also sneezed. That's quite what's going on. And then mid both of those things, burped. And all of this facial activity, I must have looked like my face was melting. The lady that was crossing the road was sort of going, "Thank you." And she sort of looked at me and went, "What's going on with your face?" But what you can also see here is that mid all of that facial activity, it's led to a snort and fart. I was like, this is ridiculous. What the freaking hell is going on? It was one of those times when I wish the video was just recording anyway, or I had someone sat next to me. And she sort of went, "Is he all right?" So I feel like my face has done a full-out workout already. It's brilliant. Anyway, just thought I'd let you all know that sort of embarrassing situation story. Everyone, have a great day.